mukorogu habanze haba kwegura project ya mizi eya Nyandungu Water Scheme emazire emyaka 2 rukorwa kandi emazire sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 89.
Yes, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Vincent Bamugaya umuhango mu nshonga z'amizi okurwa Ministry by'amizi n'obuhangwa bwensi arukugamba mukorogu asima embezi ba district ya Rubirizi abokoresa kurunje sente za government okusya abantu obuhereza bw'amizi.
Very fantastic job. It's a very great job, and as I said, you see, as economic monitoring from President's office, we were known to running after local government officials, arresting them for diverting government money. But when you reach here and you see what has been done, it's really very fantastic, and I'm very happy to see that this water, which is pumped here, is serving a very big population down there, and even they have other connections.
District ya Rubirizi amizi chine percentage coverage erkwingana access to safe water erkwingana na nkaga nishatu konka mbichweka nke byakiri sub county is one of the underserved. Magambo one of the underserved. Butaturwa in Katerera is one of the underserved. Konkati chikabu kwiri Charuganda is one of the underserved areas. Konkati in plani ubumwaka ntusaku designinga abwa Chirugu sub county.
Anatora arnitwe urchaman wegombara ya Katanda zengunobo churukwata bagereze okusya abantu amizi marungi akiri emyanya mingi etakashirwa mizi kandi abantu nibabonabona.
Tukyayine kizibu ky'amaani munonga omuri Katanda. Omuri Katanda sosi zona ezokugaba amizi omuri Katerera Town Council Chirugu nangwa na Cyabakara n'Egomborere ya Katerera sosi ziri hano ya Katanda cyogane cyenda kukusanga abanyakatanda nito tucyarra n'ekizibu cy'amizi.
Abarukujunanzwa by'amizi mu district ya Rubirizi nibagira ngo baraye bagereze gukora kusya abantu obuhereza hakiro bingi ebiri kubacwenteje.
Twino understaffing hata mu district ya Rubirizi noshangamu urukure by'amizi omu office ejo n'abajya omuntu omwe kakwibagiraho oba kandi obakweta boa maintenance technician hata reba ngo nka department ibakodinge department kureba ngo itizere kwa tracking in terms of the manpower structure.
Bo abebyamagara mu district eje nibenda abantu bakore cyone kiri kubasika okwetantara endwara.
Obukambi mbumanya so wahati kwa kuri mumuriro umwe so netumanyisa ngo bule kibine umugomboreje so nitubashaba mube vigilant mwareba omuntu azibira amaguru ninga takweza je murebe mu mamusika ibaro nikiyamuri bamurebe.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Olivia na Sasra abwatari West omuri Bushenyi.